This is Farm Dad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to determine which one of your rear shocks is leaking, and then show you how to replace it. Before I begin, if you're looking for a more in-depth video that shows how to troubleshoot and diagnose issues with these Z55 systems, go ahead, right up, I think in this corner is going to be a link to take you to a half-hour long video that really goes through this that I made. But if you just want the quick and dirty, here we go. The first thing we need to do is decide which one of our shocks is leaking, or if it's both. So go ahead and start your truck up and give it just a little bit of time for the compressor to turn on. That's it there. Okay, now that I've got air in these bags and the compressor working, I'm going to take my trusty Soapy Water. I'm just going to start spraying it around. You really want to spray all around the bladder and around the hoses where the air goes into it. And what you're looking for is just something that's going to kind of like produce bubbles, air bubbles. This is this Soapy Water bubbles up pretty good because I have a lot of soap in it. What do we have here? Kind of looking, noticing an awful lot of air bubbles. Do you see how it almost looks like they're kind of popping out? Let me see if I clear them off if they come back. Oh yeah, right there. You can see that. Let me see if I can get my camera on. There we go. Some light. Do you see how it's bubbling up right there? Maybe back there as well. I believe we found our leak. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do to remove this shock is unplug the electrical connector up top. There's just a little thing you pull back on and pull back. Man, that's had some dirt in it. Whew. And then here I need to take off this plastic clip and just pull back on this air fitting. Okay, now that's loose. Good. Now we need to remove this bolt up top and this bolt on the bottom. Both sides of this are 21 millimeter. Now on my Denali, I couldn't get to the back side of the top bolt of this shock very easily, so I went ahead and removed the tire. Now I'm going to remove this inner cover. To remove this inner cover, I'm basically prying off all of these plastic clips, and then all you have to do is kind of pull them back. Once they're back a little bit, like that, then you can remove the whole thing. And lastly, get this out of the way. Now I have better access. So what I ended up doing was just by hand putting a socket on back here, and then an extension behind that. And now I can get, hopefully, a socket wrench on the back side back here. Off there. Oh, much better. Put that on there. I need to go a little further. Okay, that's loose. slide this down and out. And our old one is no more. Get it in the same way. Oh man. Let's see if I can lower this suspension down at all. Give me some more room. Move this until they were gonna fit. Using 2 jacks. Doing the top one first since that was the hardest one to get out. I left it all rigged up, so hopefully all I have to do is just push on it. Oh, get my hand back there. There we go. I'm just gonna throw a nut on there so it doesn't fall back out. And that's perfect. All I have left to do is tighten both of these up and then plug these in. That connector plugged in and that one. I'll have to find what I did with the clip for it, but I'll put this one back in and clip it, get those torqued down, put my shield back in, tire back on, and this one will be good to go. I love seeing people learn how to perform their own automotive repairs, and I'm glad my video is able to help you do this. If you haven't already, please tap that subscribe button. We just bought 90 acres of raw land that we plan to turn into our dream farm, so you might even want to tap that notification bell in the middle of the subscribe button so you can follow us on our journey of good, clean, dirt road living. Plus, I'll be posting lots more how-to videos. I appreciate you.